Welcome back. So today I'm going to configure an EC2 instance on AWS. So first of all, you need to have an AWS account for this. So if you do not have an account and if you do not know how to create an AWS account, please check out the video that I have created before. So please find that link in the description. And once you have that account, then search here EC2 that I want to check that how many EC2 instances I have. So once you search that service, EC2 service, it will take you to that EC2 dashboard where you will get the list of how many instances that are running on AWS right now. So as you can see, I have one running instance, but I have two instances in total. I have two security groups, I have two K pairs, and so on and so forth. So there is nothing that I would like to show from here. Just I want to create a VPC and make all this configuration in order to get the EC2 instance up and running. So first of all, I want to go to this VPC service. So if you do not know what is VPC, you will get the documentation right here. So just click here and get into it, and you will get this Amazon Virtual Private Cloud documentation here. You can go through all the information that they have put here. So I'm not getting into it right now. So it's up to you. Just go ahead and get this read yourself. And so what I am going to do is here at first from the left panel, as you can see, there are a bunch of different options here. So I'm going to create the bare minimum EC2 configuration. Okay, so just to get an instance up and running so that you can deploy your very fast application you built on your local environment and then deploy it on the EC2 server so that you get the a glimpse of cloud computing right on the go. Okay, so first of all, I want to create an internet gateway. So if you click on the internet gateways, it will show you the link of available internet gateways that you have created before. So I have one existing internet gateway, but for this demonstration, I'm going to create a new one. So right from the create internet gateway, it will take you to this configuration page of this internet gateway. So give it a name. I'm going to give it a name my IGW. And if you want to put some tags here, you can definitely go ahead with that, but I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm going to create this internet gateway. So if you then get back to the internet gateways, it will show you the list of internet gateways you have. So right now, I have one internet gateway created, which is detached. That means this internet gateway is not attached to any VPC. Okay, so then I'm going to create a VPC here now. So right now I have one VPC. I'm going to create one for this demonstration. So in the VPC configuration page, you will get different options for your VPC, but for this demonstration, I'm going with the bare minimum thing. I'm going to select the VPC only and giving it a name, my VPC, and then I'm going to leave this configuration default as it is, and I'm going to put a custom IPv4 CID here address here 10.0.0.20, and I'm going to leave it as it is, and I'm going to leave the remaining configurations as they are. I'm just going to create the VPC here. So a new VPC has been created, and now I'm going to create a subnet. So I have one existing subnet, but I'm going to create a new one for this demonstration. I'm going to bind the new subnet with a VPC, which is going to be my VPC, and I'm going to give it a name, my subnet. And then for availability zone, I'm going to leave it no preference because I want to I want Amazon to choose it for me, and I'm going to bind it with the ICDR that I have created before. So I'm just assigning it that here, and I'm leaving the remaining configuration as they are. So I'm going to create the subnet. Okay, now I'm creating a routing tables for my subnet. So I am going to create new route table, and then I'm going to give it the name my route table. And I'm going to bind the VPC with this one, and leaving all the configuration as they are. So now I have created a routing table for my subnet, and then I have created a routing table for my VPC, and then I'm going to add the subnet association here. So I'm going to edit subnet association and select this one, save association, and also I want to edit the routes, since I will be accessing this from my local machine, so I want to let the internet gateway available through this routing table. So internet gateway, since this internet gateway is not bound to this VPC, so it's not found. So let me get to this internet gateways again, and let me attach a VPC with this one. Attach to VPC, select the VPC here, attach internet gateway. So let me get back to the internet gateway segment here, and it is attached. Right, so let me get back to the routing tables again, and let me open that up. And now if I click on the editors and add a new route, I'm going to set the internet gateway as the target. As you can see, the internet gateway I'm getting here. So let me save that changes. Okay, now our VPC has been configured, and we are going to use this VPC for our EC2 instance creation. Okay, so before creating the EC2 instance, I need two more things. One is security key to access that EC2, and the security group that I want to allow. I want it to get access to my EC2 instance. Okay, so from the left panel, I'm going to select the security groups here. Create a security group. We have created multiple security groups before, so let me create one for this demo. My security group, and allow us to access to the demo. So put your description here. And bind the VPC to this one. So I'm going to bind the new VPC that I've created with this. And for this one, I need to create some inbound rules, like what sort of access I'm going to allow in my EC2 instance. So I'm going to allow the all traffic and source any from anywhere. And I'm going to additionally add the SSH inbound rule, which is a TCP protocol with the port range 22 and use any IPv4 address. And for outbound rules, there are nothing I need to change. I will keep it as it is, and I'll create the security group here. And now I am going to create a keep here for my EC2 instance. So let me get to the EC2 dashboard first. And from here, as you can see on the left side from the network security, you see the key pairs. click 1, and I already have multiple key pairs, so I'm gonna create a new one for this. My key pair 2, and give a key pair type here, and private key file format. Select this and then create key pair. As you can see, the key pair has been generated and downloaded on your system. So now get to the EC2 dashboard and create a new instance. Okay, so I'll create a new instance. So once you select the launch instance, it will take you to the new instance creation page where you give it a name for the new instance, new my EC2 instance. And for this instance, select an operating system. I'm gonna go ahead with this default Amazon Linux OS, which comes for free. And also I'm gonna leave the instance type as T2 Micro, which is free tier eligible. And also for key pair, to access the EC2 instance from outside, I'm gonna use the key pair that I have just created. And for security group, either you can create one right from here or also select the existing one. I'm gonna select the existing security group that I already have. So let me go ahead with the my security group for this, and I'm going to let the storage configuration as it is, and I'm not going any further, leaving all other configurations as they are, and just launching the instance. So now if you get to the instances page, you will see your new instance has been created and waiting for the initialization. Okay, so your new instance is running, but if you get here, as you can see, the no public IP address has been assigned to this instance. So what you can do here is that get back to the subnet configuration. So I'm running out of charge. Okay. And in the subnet section, open it up and edit the subnet settings. And from here, under the auto assign IP settings, to select the enable auto assign public IP4 address and then save it. And now get back to your EC2 dashboard. And get back to instances. Unfortunately, you will have to terminate this and create a new instance for this, because I mean, if you actually reboot this, AWS doesn't automatically assign a public IP to this one. So let me terminate this instance and create a new one instead. So I'm going to create a new instance. My EC2 instance new, and I'm letting everything as they are. Oh, sorry. So I'm going to select the key pair for this one, the new key pair that I created, and also the security group that I have created for this demo. Assign them and launch the instance. So now get back to the instance page. So this is a new one, just pending, which will take some time. As you can see, a new public IP has been assigned to this one. So wait for a while since till it is initialized. So the instance is running. So let's try to access this one from our terminal, local terminal. So if you open up the instance there, you will see the connect button here. Get there. It will show you how you can actually access this EC2 instance through your SSH client. So copy this command here and get to the folder location where your private key file has been downloaded. So I'm gonna open a terminal here and put the command here. Just remember that you have to put the private key file path right here. Okay, so and this is the username. This is the default username for an EC2 instance. So if you want to customize that, you can do so from the configuration. So let me try to connect it. So yes, we have successfully connected to the EC2 instance that we have created. So in the very next video, I'm going to show you how you can deploy a Spring Boot application on the newly created EC2 instance. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Peace out. Bye.